Understanding the phrase, make ends meet. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very common and useful phrase in English, make ends meet. This phrase is often used in everyday conversation, and understanding its meaning and usage can really help in grasping the nuances of the English language. So, let's dive in and unravel the mystery behind this interesting phrase. The phrase, make ends meet, is an idiom used to describe a situation where a person is able to afford just enough money to cover their basic expenses. Imagine a rope that barely stretches to connect two ends. This imagery is similar to how one might just about manage their finances to cover their living costs. It's often used in the context of budgeting, financial struggles, or living within one's means. The origin of make ends meet dates back to the 17th century and is believed to be nautical in nature. It referred to the process of repairing a ship by ensuring the ends of ropes were tied together, symbolizing continuity and completeness. Over time, this phrase took on a more general meaning relating to managing resources, especially money. To better understand the usage of make ends meet, let's look at some examples. 1. Despite working 2 jobs, she struggles to make ends meet. 2. Many families have to budget carefully to make ends meet. 3. Rising living costs make it harder for people to make ends meet. In these examples, the phrase is used to express the challenge of managing finances adequately. While make ends meet is the most common form, there are variations like making both ends meet or make the ends meet. These variations are less common but still understood in English-speaking contexts. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, make ends meet. It's a phrase that not only reflects an important aspect of daily life but also carries with it historical and cultural significance. Remember, learning phrases like these can add depth to your English understanding and usage. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in our next video.